What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Buick LeSabre. Really cool car. You don't see many of these. Really great example of one. We believe this car is mostly original, as everything was appearing to be left alone. It sounds great. There's your Buick badge. Your bumpers are in great shape. All your trim. The paint shines bright and nice. Your interior's in pretty good shape. The convertible top is in great shape as well. It's got an aluminum radiator with electric fans, keeping this baby cool. Hood closes nicely. Your body lines up great. Appears to be all original body panels. The way that this lines up doesn't look like it's ever been in a fight. Doors open beautifully. Horn works. Has the original radio in it that does not work. It's been disabled, but have a aftermarket Pioneer under the dash there. Runs great. Convertible top. It works. The motor works great. Heat only car. Just a really, really cool example. The trunk is really clean as well. It's a very, very hot day here in Addison, Illinois, and this car is remaining at a great temperature. You could just tell. Great shape. Original trunk mat, I believe. Spare. Just a great car. Like I said, you don't see these nowadays as often as you did. Great car. Is a summer cruiser. You could do almost anything with it. The paint's in pretty good shape. Very, very cool car. Just look at how nice the door opens. Closes beautifully. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we have around 250 cars in stock. We offer special financing with great monthly payments, shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All by appointment only. You can reach us at 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850 if you are interested in this 1969 Buick LeSabre. Or visit the website, MGMClassicCars.com, where you could view all of our inventory. Stay tuned on the YouTube channel and the website. We get new cars in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you this 1969 Buick. Hope everyone has a great day, and I want to thank everyone for watching. And I hope to see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars, because remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.